No way, absolutely no way how this is even possible, guys. In 15 minutes, we just built a Linktree competitor from start to finish. But here's the catch. It's all in one URL. So this whole website is hosted in your URL that you could copy and put it anywhere. And it's going to have all your info. And it's going to have live links that you can paste. It's time to get started. Let's hit the 15-minute clock and see if we can get this done in under 15 minutes. So why Linktree? Because it's an app used by millions and millions of people. I think 50 million by now. I think that's the last thing I saw. Yeah, 50 million people. So why can't we just recreate it, right? And make it better? Because we're going to use it with one URL. So what that means is you're just going to have a long URL. And within that one URL, it's going to have all of the information, your name, your bio, all the descriptions, your links, everything. And then that one link, you can just paste it and you'll be able to just do it. So you don't have to actually go to a platform to view your Linktree. It's pretty smart, I think. I think it's gonna be a fun little thing. So I'm gonna be using Replit to do this. So log in, make sure you set up your account. It's free, they give you a bunch of credits. And I really like this platform. I've been using it more and more. And if you guys are interested, just hit the link in the bio and do that. Okay, so here we're gonna do. We are going to take a screenshot of actually my Stand Store, because I do think that this actually visually looks really nice. And now we're gonna do this. So here's the prompt. This is the best part about this. Okay, so we're gonna put this here, and then let's also go here, right there, and we're gonna paste that second one. There we go. Okay, we're gonna say this. I want to build a dashboard that allows me to create a Linktree URL with name, bio, description, and links all in one URL, period. My dashboard should have all of those fields for me to fill out, and then it will automatically create a link that I could then paste on my social media, and it will have all of the information, period. I uploaded 2 images for you to look at as reference. Try to put as many of those elements into the one URL. And I know there's limitations to what we can do with one long string URL. Now what we're gonna do in Replit is we're gonna hit improve prompt. So what this does, this will automatically look at it and think of your question, or not even question, but your plan, and actually do it as a developer technical brain. So a web-based dashboard for creating personalized Linktree URLs, incorporating user-provided information in a single shareable link. The application should include fields for name, bio, description, multiple links, automatically generate comprehensive URL, preview of how the Linktree will appear, copy function, URL sleek and ready, and let's build. So we are 3 minutes in and we are off and running. And I think we're gonna get something really, really nice. So this will be really powerful because now you're just gonna have one URL that you could paste and it's gonna have all your information. So if you guys haven't watched any of my videos before, my name is Marcin AI. I build no-code tools, no-code SaaS businesses, and everything in between. I'm gonna put this AI stuff. So hopefully you guys are enjoying it. We're totally doing a vibe, late night sesh today. Happy Chinese New Year. Let's approve the plan. And as you can see, the agent on Replit is gonna, boom, it's gonna start. It's gonna go one by one, and it's going to actually start building out everything. So it's called Linkcraft. That's actually pretty good. That's actually a good name that it came up with. So let's see what it creates here very, very quickly. And I'll stay quiet for the moments where it's just coding, so I won't bore you, and I'll just speed it up in the video. So I'll be back when it's done. So it looks like it's actually already setting up a database for me, which is huge. So I'll be able to actually use a database to store all of these links and being able to store everything. All right, and here we are, guys, Linktree generator. Let's take a look at it. So here we go. We got the preview underneath. So let's go name. Let's go Marcin AI. Marcin AI. Let's write a short bio. Come build some badass no-code tools. How about SaaS businesses? SaaS biz. And then links. We're gonna add link. So this is our private group. So let's just go group, and then URL. We're gonna go to our Stand Store, which I'm using right now. And actually this would be a great time to tell you guys. So I have a community called NoCode AI Army, where we go in and we just build a bunch of stuff. It's completely free to the first 1,000 members. So just hit the link below and come join us. So here is the preview, as you guys can see. So now we got the URL copied. We're gonna paste it, and here it is right here. There it is, guys. Look down here. So we got come build some badass AI biz. We got the group with the URL, and there's our link. Okay. So next, can you stylize? Okay. So next, can you make the shareable link the actual final preview and not the app? Okay, so right now it's sharing the whole app versus the actual final link. But how amazing is this, guys? If you're watching this for the first time and you've never seen no code development, this is it. I'm literally talking to the agent and we're making stuff on the fly, and here's the results. I mean, we're at 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and we've already managed to build out a full functioning. Right now it's a demo. I know everybody in the comment section is going to say, well, it's not hosted and all that. That's the easy part. The hard part is coming up with the idea and then using no-code products like Replit AI. So let's go back in. Here we go, Marcin AI. And then so come join group. And we're going to add a link. This is link. We're going to paste that. Here it is. Copy and paste. And then we're going to say link. That's an error. I'm going to fix that though. We're going to add the link. So that's a second link. Delete that one. So now we got it again. Here we go. It's working down here, as you guys can see. And then we're going to copy the URL and let's paste it. There it is. Boom! Absolutely insane. Look at this. So this is it. It's a URL that contains all the information. Guys, are you seeing what we're cooking here? This is absolutely amazing. And we pretty much have a final product. We don't have to use, no more having to use Linktree, no more having to use any of these other ones. If you want to just go in, create one URL, and you can just paste it everywhere, and you don't have to use an outside website. Just think about the possibility of this. And this is such a fun little idea that we could actually build this into a little business where you can charge $1, $5, $10 a month. And obviously, as we get more members, we can actually start making some money if you wanted to do something. So the point of this is not that this is some crazy genius idea. The point of this is I want to show you the power of no-code AI and development. That's the biggest thing. That's why I created this channel. That's why I've been making a bunch of content, because I really want you to grasp what we are cooking here and see that you can pretty much build anything. So I had this crazy little idea earlier today, and now we're off and running. I think I saw this a while ago on some website. Here we go, Marcin AI. Join our AI group, and then let's add the links. So this is, and now we have it down here. Let's just add another link. Let's call this YouTube. Paste that there. And then let's go to our YouTube really quick. The love on YouTube. The channel's actually gone crazy. I think we're at 5,800 subscribers. This is in a week and a half from, I think, 3,000 I was at. So it's almost doubled in about a week and a half. And things are definitely moving very, very quickly. So I really appreciate the love, the support, and everything that you guys have been commenting, the feedback, the ideas. Keep them coming. And definitely give a follow and if you like this type of content. As you can see, it's just a vibe. We're just hanging out. Nothing serious, but we are actually making some fun stuff. So here we go. Let's see if it works now. And there it is, guys. All right, we made it. It's a minute 50 left. We have a full functioning product. Join our AI group. Here's the link to the first one. Here's the link to the second one. And if you guys join the group, I will give you this code. I'll give you all these prompts so you guys can do this actually yourself. And I'll actually deploy this on a server, and then I'll give you guys access to it, and you guys can use it absolutely for free. So that'll definitely do that. But one last little thing is, it looks a little cheesy. Can you give this a nice overhaul visually? Let's go and make it Matrix vibe. Dating myself a little bit here, but come on, who doesn't love the Matrix? All right, just to give it a little oomph, because this white look is very, very boring. So this thing is going to be able to get us a nice Matrix style look, and that'll hit us exactly on time for the challenge. 15 minutes, start to finish. This can easily be a SaaS. All I got to do is build in the login authentication, which you could do with Replit, super easy. Set up the database to save the profiles, save the URLs, and then set up Stripe integration, and this thing is done. If you guys want, I can definitely make another video of that. But for the sake of this, I wanted to just show you how quickly, within 15 minutes, you could start an idea, build it no code using Replit, and literally have it. And then you just got to click a few more buttons, deploy it, and sell it if you want to. Develop this idea. We're about to ring the bell here. We'll do a countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, another challenge completed. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let's stop this and let's take a look at the finale. And hopefully we have a nice matrix style looking website. This is fun. Look at that. It's perfect. Done. Here we go. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. See, now we're talking. A little more code vibe. So let's give it a final test. Marcin AI, join. So actually you guys should join if you like this kind of content. So this is the NoCode AI army. This green actually fits very nicely with the AI army. So we're going to join group and we're going to paste the link and we're going to copy this. And the final results is a LinkedIn in one URL. Full on LinkedIn. LinkedIn, if you guys like that, hopefully this inspires you to create one of these for yourself. But in the meantime, guys, thank you so much. Have a great night and I'll see you in the next video.